Hey everyone, Daniel Kaiser here at E3 2019 inside the Bandai Namco booth. I'm joined now by Steven to talk all about Code Vein. Steven, tell us about the games showing at E3 this year.
No, it's been really great. I mean, we've been working on this game for quite some time. I mean, I myself have been working on it for about 3 years. So being able to announce our release date, be able to have a new playable out on the show floor, it's been really, really amazing. All the positive reception that we've been getting from the public, it's been awesome.
So the game's gorgeous, has compelling gameplay as well. Who are you designing this game for?
It's being made for everyone. We want it to be accessible. So thinking about players that are perhaps more spectators within that action RPG genre, ones that are liking to watch it on Twitch, following people on YouTube, the ones that maybe feel like those games are beautiful, they're cool, but it's a little bit too difficult for them. We want to make sure that it has all that challenge, but it has all the different levers that they can pull to be able to overcome those challenges.
And of course, here on the floor, people are getting a taste of the gameplay. Tell us about the specific demo that people are getting hands-on with here at E3.
So we've added in a lot more GIFs, a couple new blood codes for people to try, which are like your character class. Unlike regular action RPGs, usually you pick your class, you have to stick to it, and people say, you know, you need to get good at your character or else you might need to start over with a different class. Code Vein has a lot of accessibility where if you hit a wall, you can always change up your class at any time. You can mix and match your gifts or they're kind of your spells. Lots of different tactics that people can have to be able to overcome all the challenges that are within the game.
Anytime you're launching a new IP like Code Vein, there's obviously an opportunity to reach a new audience or tap into an existing one. Who do you think are the fans of Code Vein that you're looking for?
A lot of different people that we're looking at. And again, thinking about that access, like I think about a lot of the very difficult games that have come out in the recent years. And I have a lot of friends that have said like, you know, this game, I really loved like, you know, the world setting. I loved like the idea of it, but I got to a certain point and I couldn't pass it anymore. This game still has all that difficulty, but because there's all these other ways that people can actually overcome them, whether by themselves or with someone else, I feel like it's opening it up to a lot of people that are maybe more in the spectating space of the action RPGs and being able to let them jump in and create their own character and experience it for themselves firsthand.
Well, it certainly helps that the game is gorgeous and will draw a lot of eyeballs. So talk a little bit about the art style there and the team's attempt to deliver this colorful yet also very dangerous looking world.
Well, it all takes place in a near future post-apocalyptic setting. You can see kind of the gothic industrial motif that you can have with like a little bit of traditional kind of vampiric nuances that would be in the game. You know, being able to use Unreal in the game has helped us a lot in being able to really be impactful with that visual identity, which everyone across the world has been very, very positive about and saying like, you know, especially with our character creator, when we had our network tests, like people are spending hours on it, creating all these beautiful characters, and with the lighting and the different particle effects that Unreal is able to bring to the game, it makes it even more impactful.
So visually speaking, of course, hopefully that's doing well for the team. Were there any other reasons why Unreal Engine was a good fit for this project?
Well, you know, it's a connected dungeon experience. So, you know, definitely thinking about how Unreal Engine 4 is able to really help with that depth of field with any sort of like corridors or enclosed spaces. That's definitely been super helpful. But I think when you see any of the video clips that we've had, there's a lot of different elements like the light shading of the blood that's coming out of enemies or the clash of a sword against a shield and seeing all the sparks that are flying. It wouldn't be possible without Unreal Engine.
So very exciting here at E3. You announced the release date. Tell everybody about that and where they can go to learn more about the game online.
The game's coming out on September 27th, 2019. If people want to find out more information, definitely follow us on our social channels at Bandai Namco US, or you can check out our game page at BandaiNamcoENT.com.
All right, we appreciate your time here at E3. Enjoy the rest of your show. And for the latest on all things Unreal Engine, we'll see you online at UnrealEngine.com.